Hello, everyone. Very good morning to all. Welcome on a very beautiful Saturday morning again on the occasion, on the eve of Teachers' Day. So, we have a Teachers' Day special today, and we're going to talk about a lot of informative session onto the various indicators which have been used into the stock trading. That will be quite informative today, as I mentioned, because I gonna reveal some of the key informations which we generally use into our day-to-day practices while stock selection, which we completed last week. And on public demand, people wanted to understand what kind of indicators we use and how we come to a conclusion that right, this is the final stock which we need to suggest to our followers, or we need to trade personally as well. So based on that, we have designed this webinar today. It's 11:02 now. Let's wait more 3 minutes for the participants to join. I hope every one of us is able to see the screen which I have shared and am audible to everyone. So let me welcome all first. Thanks Ashok for the joining. Tanmay Patil, thank you. Venkat, Algond, Rajesh, Saurabh, thanks Saurabh for joining again. Khagendra, Praveen, Dr. Raghavendra, thank you so much for joining in. Hemant, Gunwant, Bharat, Swarangi, hi Swarangi, thank you so much for joining in. Lots of people joining in. Let's wait for house to get full, and then we will start in next couple of minutes down the line. Stay tuned so far. Thank you. I'm checking the audios. Can you please, guys, do let me know if I'm audible to you? Hello, everyone. Great. Thanks, Saurabh. Thanks for confirming. Thanks, Virat. Thanks for joining. Hi, Vikas. Hi, Jashant. Hi, Satish. Thanks, Ankita, for joining. Siddhant, Rohit, everyone. Let's start then. We have house full now. I mean, as per the capacity of our program, I mean, all the people are joining. Let's start. So before I start, I welcome you all again for this free webinar. And to everyone, happy Teachers' Day. And most importantly, I wish to the stock market, who has been the best and the greatest teacher to me so far, who has imparted knowledge to me in last entire tenure of my profession into the stock market. So happy Teachers' Day to the market, and a happy Teachers' Day to everyone. Each one of us help us to learn a few things, right? I'm learning from you, Lord, guys. When you share a feedback to me, when you tell me that, sir, we need to add this point, we need to do this, we need to do that. So you guys are also giving me a knowledge. You are also teaching me something, right? So I learn a lot from you as well. So thank you so much for being my teacher. And with this note, I will start for today's proceedings. So before I start, I have a smaller disclaimer. the disclaimer regarding the free webinar and the knowledge sharing which we do, what activities we do. Okay, so we have established Urja Wealth to educate and to make the independent Indian stock market investors and traders. That's the idea. We do not want you to be dependent on us. We strive our best to make ecosystem for the genuine traders and the investors, those who are really learning good, right? Based on that, all our views posted here are purely educational purpose and to understand the analysis and the logic behind our trade. So that's the disclaimer which I wanted to put in front of you guys. So before you take any particular trade, you might want to consult to your personal investment advisor as well. Okay, we are NISM certified, and the SEBI registrations are been done for us as well. Okay, so once that been officially been published, we will be definitely share with you guys as well. So that's a disclaimer. So let us start with the webinar's rules. So that's quite simple. I mean, we will have one question and answer session at the last 30 minutes where you will be able to ask me the questions. I hope you guys are able to see the screen as well. So this has the disclaimer which we have gone through, and these are the webinar rules which we will discuss now. So very simple, and you can ask me the questions. You can post your queries into the Q&A chat box as well. Do not go with the stock specific questions. Ask me the generalized questions. Just to go for the stock specific, we need to spend a lot of time into analyzing the entire stock structure, the chart structure as well. So be specific, and please do not ask the stock specific questions again. And you might want to reach to me or to at Telegram's support line at Urja Wealth Team, or you can WhatsApp us on 8766 532688. Okay. So before I start, I have something to tell you about my organization. That's an Urja Wealth. We are a leading stock market training institute. I'm saying institute for learning. We do not sell our calls. We do not do any paid calls, promotions, nothing else. This is just an idea of making the people independent, and so that they do have their financial freedom at their, and we handhold them with the student's life, with their learning curve as well. So we mentor the student one-on-one throughout the training period with execution of knowledge in the live market. We conduct our trainings into the live market so that people get the exact thrill of the market, how exactly the market is moving, and what exactly the decisions that needs to be taken during the live market as well. Okay, so we have a huge student community. We have the interactive sessions. When I say interactive, that means you have ample amount of time to ask the questions directly during the live training sessions. We do not keep you on mute. You have rights to ask me the questions. As much as questions you ask, as much as knowledge sharing is done. So that's the mentorship program which we do at Urja Wealth. We have a few of the premium channels which are for the service of our students. There is no fees for joining for these premium channels as well. The only criteria is that you should be the part of a student community. You should be trained with our mentorship program. Then only you can be the part of our premium channels. So we have Urja options, we have cash future positionals. I'm gonna focus on to the one of the base channel which we have, that's Urja cash future positional, and I'm gonna show you whatever the trades which we have posted for our students education, the logic behind it, so that you guys can learn it and you guys can practice it. I understand within 1 hour of training you might not learn everything, but at least you will understand the logic behind it, what the experienced traders and the trainers are thinking about it, right? So we also have the investment picks a channel where we pick the portfolios stocks, also the proven record of our long-term wealth generation as well. Okay, then Urja Intraday, we post a couple of stocks every day into intraday as well. And most importantly, from where you guys have connected, that's an Urja Wealth public channel. That's free to everyone. We have more than 45,000 followers so far, and they are showering their blessings to us, and they are in touch with us for the knowledge sharing. So what we do is we share the knowledge enhancing post, the stock updates, the suggestions during the live market, Nifty and Bank Nifty related updates, and so on. So that's it from the channels and the offerings. Let's move on to the today's agenda then. What we're gonna do is we're gonna learn about a few of the indicators which we use generally into the intraday and positional setups as well, right? So the first is the parabolic scan, that is SAR as well, right? That is nothing but support and resistance, the parabolic scan, which is very, very important, which tells you that where exactly you need to take an entry and where exactly you need to take an exit. So basically, trailing stop loss, entry point, and the exit point. These are the $3 million questions you must have, right? Every time. Where to take an entry, where to book the profits, and where to trail my stop loss if I want to win the trade, right? So this is an indicator, the parabolic scan, which is very, very helpful in order to understand where exactly we can take the entry. So it's very simple. The interpretation is very simple. As you see, these are the dots, which is nothing but the parabolic scan indicator. A dot below to the price is supposed to be the bullish signal. Very simple, right? And the dot above to the price, which is supposed to be the bearish signal, right? So when you have declined parabolic intersect with the inclined parabolic, here exactly you have your entry point, right? So when you have your entry point here, and until the next decline and incline intersect happens, you can be into the trade. That's very simple, right? I mean, if you can practice it, you will understand that you get a lot of good amount of, you know, profits with this kind of understanding. Now the next question comes in, where exactly parabolic will not work. Parabolic will not work into the sideways market. It will definitely work into the trending market, right? So you cannot rely on to the parabolic every time. However, if you calculate the entire trading days of the stock market in India, out of that, 60% of the time you will find that the market is trending either up or either down, right? So these 60% of the times, if you trade with parabolic, you will be profitable as well. Now rest for 40% of the time, you might not want to work, or you might want to work with some other different indicators which you are practicing. My only funda is that whatever is comfortable for you, you trade in that, right? If you're comfortable with parabolic, you trade into that. If you're comfortable with trend lines, you trade with that. If you're comfortable with chart patterns, you trade with that. If you are comfortable with candlesticks, you trade with that. That's it. You don't have to mix everything together, right? If you might have seen, or my students might looking at me, my charts as well, I do not have multiple indicators added to it. Hardly handful or hardly couple of indicators, and then I come to a conclusion that yes, this is the stock which I need to select, and this is how I need to trade. That's it. That's a very, very simple process. Stock market trading and investment is not a rocket science. It can be done by anyone. I always tell you, don't have to have an IQ of more than 160. Okay, if you have an IQ of even 100 or even 70 or even 80 or even 50 as well, you are dumbest of the dumbest person, not a problem in your social life. But if you have a very simple logics how to use, you can definitely be a very good successful trader into the market, right? You don't have to have a very good hands on your mathematics. You don't have to have an hands on your charting, or you don't have to hands on your financials understanding as well, right? You just need the logic into the market. Okay, so I gonna show you the examples as well into live charts and even the August performance with respect to the stocks which we selected and we posted into our premium channels. How this parabolic scan has helped us to enter and to exit as well. So that is the live demonstration for the entire 1 month of August series. We're gonna show you, and so you understand this is what can be a secret from our side as well, right? But ultimately you need to practice it. Unless you practice it, even if I release you hundreds of secrets, it will not be helping you, right? The next is your William percentage R. That is also a very good popular momentum indicator. It captures the momentum. You know, when you apply the Williamson percentage R, that helps you to understand where exactly the momentum gonna be. As you can see onto the screen, your percentage R is having exactly at the minus 80 level. Minus 80 level in this case is oversold zone for percentage R, right? Based onto your trend line support as well, you can definitely take an entry somewhere around this zone, right? And you can book your profits when your percentage R, Williamson percentage R, is about to minus 20%. That is your overbought zone. That's very simple, right? Again, another point, when you see that your percentage R is going down below to minus 80, and you also have your stock prices coming to your support line. This blue is your support line. This is your trend line, right? So trend, along with the combination of trend line, when you use Williamson percentage R, that will give you a fantastic result. From the back testing, I have identified percentage R will work very, very good when it is into 3 hours of time frame. So keep in mind, you also need to understand that you have to have a time frame fixed for 3 hours. I mean, that is comfortable for me. You might want to practice it in 1 hour as well. You might want to do it with 30 minute as well. That's up to you, right? So that's an Williamson percentage for you. Okay, let's go back to the charts now, and I will show you how these things can be helpful to you. So I have a first chart with me is Sun Pharma, which I have brought it for you. Okay, I already have it. Look at this. This Sun Pharma, right? So Sun Pharma, we identified somewhere around at this zone as well. Okay, where it was trading somewhere around 330, 330 zone, and based on the parabolic, as you can see now, your decline parabolic and incline parabolic intersect at this point. That is 3rd of April, right? So 3rd of April, you also have the range breakout happening for your Sun Pharma, right? So as you can see, this is a channel breakout which can happen with Sun Pharma, right? That's an expansion tunnel, right? Now if you can see, you have a breakout point here, that is 375. It is also intersecting your inclined SAR, that is parabolic, and decline SAR as well. So this is the intersection, that is 3rd of April, which can be a very good entry for you. And you can see you have also very good volume compared to the previous. So you do have the confluences, and you take an entry here and you see what happened next, right? The stock climbed from 375 zone to approximately 500 zone, more than 40% return just in 3rd of April to 27th of April. That is 23 days of your trading, right? So in within 3 weeks of time, if you get 40% return, nothing like that, right? Another example, look at this. This is a very recent catch we did somewhere around 27th of July. Okay, I do have that part available with me. Let me find it out. Let me find Sun Pharma for you. Right, here it is. So July 31st. So July 31st, we identified Sun Pharma based on to our parabolic scan, and we identified that 497,502 is a range from where we can go long. And I also mentioned that it will be strong above to 509 only for the targets of 535, 560, and 590. And closing basis stop loss was 470. Okay. Now look at what happened on this particular chart. So you have here the entry taken, right? So this is 31st to July 13, right? So July 13 is somewhere around here, right? It haven't hit our stop loss as well. Our stop loss was 470. The close is, look at this, low is 479, but close was 475. So that's what is the importance of closing basis as well. Closing basis stop loss is very much important. When I say closing basis, that means that on a closing basis, when the stock trading ends at 330, the stock should close below to 470. Then only it is a stop loss hit. In this case, we had on 27 July, it came together somewhere around 469 as well. However, since this, it went up approximately to 560 plus, right? So in 30 days of time frame, we earn approximately 13% return on Sun Pharma. The reason being is that very simple. When your decline parabolic and incline parabolic intersect with each other, where exactly here you take an entry and you get your targets done. Very simple, right? Now let's go with another example which I have. In this case is Grasim, right? Let me see when Grasim was identified. I'm gonna focus on to specifically on to the August series. Okay, yeah. So this is here July 29th. So Grasim we identified somewhere around 610, 615 for the targets of 660 plus, right? On July 29th, it was posted for our cash future positional premium channel. Okay, for our students, we posted somewhere around on this date, July 29th. Now, what was the idea behind it? Apart from our other technical analysis, which we're gonna focus today is parabolic. Look at this. This is the intersection point on 29th of July where we identified the entry of Grasim. And since then, Grasim is in one-sided movement with 120 points. That's your positional, right? So since 29th of July till now, till 3rd of September, approximately in 1 month, 20% return with only one trade, right? So that's the importance of your entry. So parabolic was telling me that you have an entry here. Also my William percentage R was also telling me that it is less than minus 80, which was minus 93, right? Which is an oversold territory, right? Apart from that, if I apply my other knowledge of trend line, I identify this as my double bottom, right? So these are the points which we need to identify. I have this double bottom. I also have this as W pattern as well. You might have heard it into your technical books, right? This is my W pattern, right? And then this is my target. Very simple. So this is what is the logic you need to apply. That's it. You doesn't need anything apart from this, right? If you simply trade with these future positions or cash positions, absolutely you will be astonished to see the results at the end of the month. You don't have to be in a very super fast mode when you are planning to do this in intraday basis. One trade, enter and just sit tight and look for your targets. That's it. That's an Grasim for you, which we posted on July 29th. The next which we posted on July 29th is Tata Steel at 11:34 a.m. in the morning. Let's look at Tata Steel analysis, what we did. Here it is, right? So Tata Steel was on July 29th somewhere around trading at these levels, right? And our understanding was about to 365, Tata Steel will have a very good breakout. Now, the reason being is that I had this parabolic scan which was helping me to stay on to the trade. Though I was late to identify Tata Steel, I would have identified Tata Steel somewhere around 334 level as well. But however, my Williamson was not giving me the confidence. Ultimately, I provided or I decided to go with Tata Steel somewhere around on 29th of July. The reason being here is that apart from parabolic, it was also telling me that this is my ascending wage breakout. Simple. So this is was my point. And since then, Tata Steel haven't looked back, and Tata Steel went up to 440. So from 360 to 440, hoping 80 points. Simply you got from 30 July to 21st of August, 20 days. Let's consider 3 weeks of time. In 3 weeks of time, again, 20% consistent return with only one trade. Right? If you have seen, I mean, I always tell to my students, you don't have to, you know, do the trading every day. Even if in 1 month's time you only do 4 to 5 positional trades, you are sorted at the end of the month. Consistent profiting is very, very important. I'm gonna show you a quick video as well where a couple of my students, after learning how they are consistently profitable with respect to their discipline which they kept into the market. I'm gonna discuss that as well. That's a quick 8-minute video I'm gonna show to everyone. Now that was the logic behind this Tata Steel which we posted. We also have a Morepan Laboratories, which we posted somewhere around 21 rupees. That was a penny stock, right? So Morepan Laboratories, we mentioned on 29th of July itself, saying that it should be a very good buy. Let's see. So here it is, 29th of July, right? So 29th of July, Morepan Laboratories was trading somewhere around 21. So I mentioned that above to 21.5, it is a very good buy. And you look at what happened after that. So it went up to approximately 29, which is very close to our third target, right? Which gives you hoping more than 25% gain just in 1 month of time frame, right? So if you are investing your 1 lakh rupees with Morepan here in 1 month, it becomes 125,000. Nothing like that. Simple. Safest trading which I consider this. You do not have a fear of loss, right? You know your stop loss is somewhere below to, what was our stop loss? Our stop loss was below to 19, right? After posting this, it haven't been below to 19. I mean, it haven't been below to our trading level as well. Simple. Again, parabolic help us. Look at this. The parabolic was telling me that here it is, the intersection is happening and you should take the entry somewhere around here. Also, if you see, this entry is also the support point from your trend line perspective, right? So this is telling you that this can be your good entry here. So support trend line is telling you, your Williamson is also sold territory. Your parabolic is also telling you the intersection is happening. You should take entry here. What do you want, right? So multiple confluences are there, and accordingly you take a trade and then you go with a positional trade, right? The surface trading, you don't have to be doing the options, you don't have to do the futures, you just look for your safe cash trades and you're sorted. The only drawback of this kind of discipline is that you need a little bit of higher capital, which I completely understand. However, it is the safest part. Not a single loss so far, right? Let's go to the next. Then you have a Tata Chemicals, right? Tata Chemicals we posted on July 29th again, saying that we should buy about to 311. Now the logic behind Tata Chemicals is again very, very simple. This time Tata Chemicals was giving us a very hard time. However, our stop loss was not hit with Tata Chemicals as well. I mean, after entering here somewhere around, it came immediately down, right? At our nearby to a stop loss. Our stop loss was somewhere around below to 288, right? However, it couldn't go that, and then ultimately it find a point of 345. So 345 which was our approximately the first target. I mean, this was not that good performance from our side as well. However, we are not in loss. That is more important, right? So here as well, we had the same logic which we identified with respect to the parabolic. Okay, coming back to the next logic which I would like to share with you is somewhere around hexaware, right? Hexaware we posted on 3rd of August, and the idea of positional cash future. Let's see here itself. Now your parabolic, if you see, it has already given you the entry somewhere around 334 for hexaware. However, we were late to identify the stock, and we identified the stock somewhere around 3rd of August at the level of 380 zone, right? So from 380 zone, it has still given approximately 440, right? So 50 points of one-sided movement, which has given approximately 12% of return. The idea of entering somewhere around here is that you're trailing stop loss concept, and your parabolic, which is giving you the confidence that you should be taking the entries and go on. Apart from that, it was also the range breakout for us, the upper wedge channel, which we call it as, or you can say ascending wedge channel, right? So this is an ascending channel which tells you that you should be taking entry somewhere around here, and then you go on. I'm not even talking about the moving averages. I'm talking about the candlesticks and all, which are also another parameters. I'm not talking about the volume. Everything I'm not talking here. I'm just focusing on to the parabolic because that is the discussion point for the day. Okay. And after that, you see the almost approximately 10 to 12% gain, which we have seen into hexaware as well. Then we have Jyoti Laboratories, which we identified on August 4. Now let's see understand the logic behind it. What we did with Jyoti Laboratories is that the parabolic was telling us that you should be taking entries somewhere around on 4th of August, So 4th of August, when we take an entry 130, it has hit approximately 150, right? Again, it was a very good range breakout for us. If you see, it has a very good range breakout here, and it was also a kind of ascending channel, or you can say it is a kind of upper wedge breakout. Along with that parabolic, along with that volume, all are telling you that you should be getting the entry with Jyoti Laboratories here, right? So approximately 20% return. What do you want apart from that, right? Without having any stressful trading, no fear of getting the stop loss hit when you enter. You trail your stop losses. That's what we impart the knowledge to the students, that how to trail the stop loss immediately after taking the entry, so that there is no fear of loss. That's the idea of the positional cash future trading, right? Look at this. After hitting our second target, now it is again coming back to the zone of 140. So we will have another round of analysis with respect to Jyoti Laboratories, and we will identify whether we need to enter into Jyoti Laboratories, because your Williamson is also in an oversold territory now, right? And it might try to come back to somewhere around your support line this year, and from here as well. So Jyoti Laboratories may have a very good reversal coming in, right? So keep a track on this, and if you find this useful, please ping me as well, that yes, Jyoti Laboratory is actually behaving the way we have identified. Okay, so that's the Jyoti Laboratories for you on 4th of August. Then coming to the next jackpot call, which I can say for the August, was Hindustan Aeronautics. Hindustan Aeronautics, August 5th, which we identified at around 945, 955 zone. The logic, I will simply tell you what we did. So here it is, right? So you have this parabolic. I will just simply highlight that so that you guys understand it. Okay, so here it is on 5th of August, somewhere around 950, 955, we took the entry immediately in just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. In 7 days, from 955 to 1400, it has reached more than the target which we identified, right? We identified the target of 1200 plus, but it hits 1400, just approximately 50% return in just 7 days. This can be your annual return as well. Even if you are at the end of the year, if you are good with 50%, you are doing extremely extraordinary into the stock market. And this happened just simple in 7 days. The idea of identifying the right stocks with the right entry, the parabolic is for you. That's a miraculous indicator which we generally use into the market, right? Then you might want to do your analysis with respect to your ascending channel breakout as well. And that's how this has given you a very fantastic result, right? Here it is your entry and you have your targets done just in 7 days. That's how Hindustan Aeronautics has identified. Then you also have the next coming in for you is, I would like to focus on to a few more stocks which we did at the end of the month for August. Vinati Organics, which we have. Let's talk about Vinati Organics as well. Here it is. So we identified the Vinati Organics during our live tradings as well, and I talked with my students as well that Vinati Organics can be a very good buy on 14th of August, right? So 14th of August, it was trading with the descending triangle breakout pattern. This is a descending triangle for you, right? Along with that, my parabolic was also telling me that we should get the entry somewhere around here because this is the intersection point for my inclined line and my declined line of parabolic. This is the intersection point, right? And then from here it went well exactly to 1200 marks, which is our more than the first target. Cash positional Vinati Organics 1100 was the target. It reached to 1197 within how many days? Just 10 days. That's the power of your positional stock selection and the entries. It's the safest trading, right, guys? Can anybody tell me there is any fear of loss on intraday? Whether your stop loss will get hit by the operators? No, not at all, right? You just simply enter and trail your stop losses to certain position. Now you can trail your stop loss somewhere around here as well at 125, the first target, then 175 your second target, and 1100 your third target, and you wait for your other jackpot as well, right? So that's the Vinati Organics for you. The logic to enter here was simply based on your parabolic, simply based on your candlesticks, simply based on your volume price action as well, which I have talked about a lot with the previous webinars in for price action. So that's the Vinati Organic which performed on August 14. Then we have Siemens as well. As you see, the Siemens has also been performing well. Then we have Kia Industries. Kia Industries also has hit our second target so far, which has been done. Siemens, you can see here 38 points movement, 20,900 rupees profit, which we booked just within 2 days of time with Siemens, right? Then we had a PFC as well, the Power Finance Corporation. When there was a news about to come, before the news came into the public, we identified on August 19 PFC. So PFC was a very fantastic entry for us as well. I will have to identify the PFC. Anyways, let me open up the PFC for you as well. Meanwhile, it gets loaded. I will go ahead. Yeah, okay, it's there. Now, if you can see, PFC we identified on August 19 at around 96 zone, right? August 19, somewhere around here, right? So from here, it has hit the target of 104, the first target so far, giving approximately 8% return, and again coming back to the cost zone. So our trailing stop loss, if you see, if you apply the indicator of parabolic, it will give you the exit with your profits itself. So here it is. So as soon as you see at around 100, it would hit your trailing stop loss. Still 4%, which is not bad, right? Just in 2 days of time, the PFC for you, right? Let's talk about a few more stocks and the logic behind it. Yeah, we have a precision wire, which we have identified somewhere around August 21st. Okay, it is. So August 21st, when you identify somewhere around 130 zone, immediately with 130 zone, in 1 week's of time, it hits somewhere around 145, which is approximately 10 to 12% return in 1 week of time for precision wire. After that, the sale off happened on 31st of August. Precision wire as in back to your entry point. So your entry was somewhere around here, right? So again, it is now going towards the same zone. So you might find precision wire as a good buy now again, because it is respecting your support line, it is respecting your parabolic as well. Look at the parabolic. So this is your parabolic, which is also telling you that you should take the entry, right? And when you might want to go for 150 plus, this time in precision wire. The important thing which I do for the students is that I post the charts as well, right? So with these charts, they understand the logic, they understand the thought process behind it, and what is the logic behind taking the entry for such positional calls. Then you also have a Spencer, which we identified at 87, which hits approximately 97 in 1 week of time as well. So second target was done for Spencer recently. That's for August 21st, right? 1 2 week back. And we have a Bata India as well. That 1315 was our entry point on August 21, and it hits 1375 as well. The logic behind Bata, look at this. The Bata entry somewhere around was 1355, though it has went up to 1275, but it haven't hit a stop loss. So in that case, it has still be managed to get the profits of three targets, approximately 10% return, which we got into Bata India last week. That's the Bata India for you. Edelweiss was also one of our good stock, which hits the 88, the second target, which was done very recently on August 21st. Then Philip Carbon. Philip Carbon was identified way back in July. However, it was our investment stock as well, and it was a positional stock as well. So as you can see, we identified Philip Carbon somewhere around June end with the price of 95. And let's see what has happened with Philip as well. So here it is. We identified somewhere around here your parabolic indicator, which tells you that the entry point here, the intersection point, as we mentioned, you take an entry somewhere around 9500 and you go long with the target of 130 plus. That is 30% hoping return just in 2 months of time. If you hold it with the patience, you will definitely have a good reward received to you. You need to have a patience in the positional. That's a drawback. Another thing is you need to have a good investment amount, the capital for you, right? I mean, on slowly basis, you can also ultimately accumulate the wealth, and that's the idea of having the wealth creation at Urja Wealth. That's a stock for you. We also had Tube investment, which we identified way back in June as well. I will not go with that. Let's focus on to the August entries. So the very recent one, So we have Biocon as well. The Biocon on 31st of August, last week itself, on last Friday, we identified Biocon at 397 zone, and exactly after that, the stock has started moving up, and it has given approximately 433, 10% up just in 3 days of time. The cash positional future for you, right? Biocon has, I think, the stock load size somewhere around 800 or so. With that, it gives you 25,000 rupees per lot, right? So that's the stock. Your Williamson was in favor, your parabolic was in favor, your chart indicators were in favor, and that's how we picked it up at 397. And then the stock has hit approximately to 435. Then you have a Just Dial, which we identified. Here it is a chart which we posted. It was a triple bottom formation for Just Dial, and we mentioned that above to 370 chart Just Dial will do good with respect to that. So let's see. So above to 370, target for 380, 390, and 400 with a stop loss of 355, which was done. So let me tell you about Just Dial. Here it is, right? So this is your triple bottom, right? And this is your right. So this is what we identified somewhere around here. As you can see on this chart, it was trading on this date 372, right? On this day, 2nd of September. And after that, in 2 days, it has hit approximately till to 400. The third target is already hit with Just Dial. That's a quick 10% gain which you identified with respect to your parabolic and with respect to your Williamson percentage as well, right? And of course, you have your support lines, you have your chart understanding, your knowledge. All those knowledge we utilize in one particular stock identification and the stock selection and the entry. That is the logic, that's the thought process which we do at Urja Wealth. That's what I can see at this is the secret which I'm relieving in front of you, right? That's the Just Dial for you on 2nd of September. Then I also posted on 2nd of September Himadri Chemicals, Himadri Specialty, right? So let's see how it has performed. Look at this. So I identified the stock somewhere around June, sorry, 2nd September here itself, right? 52 to 53 was our entry, and it has approximately till hit 57. That is still it to hit the first target. We are still bullish on Himadri Specialty that in 1 or 2 weeks we should see Himadri Specialty at least 70 plus within the positional targets. That will be hoping more than 25-30% return with cash positional, right? So that's the call for you. Then yesterday again Bata India, which we posted at 1330 zone, and immediately Bata India hits all our first target with the size of 550, 13,000 return in 1 day. Simple. Next is the Infratel, which is the recent blockbuster for us, which we were tracking from 197. We entered at 197 as well. Infratel. So here it is. We mentioned that this is your bullish Harami pattern, the candlestick pattern, bullish Harami. Your Williamson is also quite minus 70. Okay, and your parabolic is also telling me to take the entry. Look at this, right? If you see the dots are here, so that means you have the intersection here. You take the entry on 2nd of September, and Infratel is already hitting 230. So 230, which is exactly our second target with Bharti Infratel. These two targets are still done. We are still waiting for 250 on the cards, which we should see in this series for Bharti Infratel. right? So that's it. So these are the things which I wanted to share with you guys with respect to the logic, the stock selection, the entries, the exits, the target selections, how we do that. This is what was the point of discussion for the day I wanted to show you. Now let's move towards the DEX. So what we do is we have the mentorship program where we come up with the idea of imparting the exact replicate knowledge. I want to mirror myself to other students as well. The way we think, I want my students to think as well. So for that, I have a video for you guys to show. Let me open up. So here it is. So the video for you. Hey guys, so I will promise recording video of the performance of a few of my students who have been consistent to overall, markets in last a couple of months. You can say one of my students, uh, he started in April, right? So from that moment onward, when they learn about the technicals, how they have been executing it, and what is the strategy they are following, what is the discipline they are following, I will try to explain in a quick, short, 5 minute video for you. Okay. As you can see on to this one, I have one of my students who started, who completed the batch somewhere around in May. Okay. In entire June, that guy completed his paper trading. First thing, before jumping into the stock market, he did the paper trading exactly for the entire month. And then from July, he started doing slow, big trades, actual trades into the market. Further is very simple. Learn it and try to execute your knowledge. Do not indulge with your emotional, understanding of the market. Have a technical understanding of the market. That's the first, right? So as you can see, this guy had taken all the positions in only cash. I mean, this is what is our hands on, right? I mean, it's simplest trading which I consider. That's what he followed word to word discipline, which I imparted a knowledge to him. Not a single trade he has taken into future and option. All the trades, as you can see, are being taken specifically into sell for the cash, right? I mean, he's a small investor you can consider, not more than 2 3 lakhs of capital he has, but consistently he is deploying the capital and trying to generate a profit. Very simple. He jumps into the market and quickly come up with the profit. As you can see, he's percentage wise, he has tried to gain to now 1.5%, approximately 3%, here 4.6%, 5.7, 5.7 on an average, 5.8, 4. So 4 to 6 range is sufficient in positional cash, right? So he started this very slowly. As you can see, he started way back in July, with 2000, then 1000, 4000, and so on. He has only small two losses. One is 350 rupees, another is only 10 rupees, right? So idea here is the discipline. He maintained one strict strategy for him, not to go with anything else in the market, just focus on to some good quality stocks, look for the technical breakouts, get a good amount of quantity, enter into the stock and exit with quick. Right, as you can see, an 82 to to 83, only one, right? I mean, these are the multiple trades he might have done, right? Axis Bank, quick, then Biocon, quick, right? Then you have Border Chemical, very quick. So likewise, quantities are also in a consistent manner. Depends on to the stock price, right? For example, you have a huge stock price like 396, he has a 250 quantities for that. Then if the stock price is quite less, for example, in case of for the Suven, right? For Suven, he has 6,000 quantities picked up in together. So likewise, what he tried to do is he tried to maintain the discipline in terms of the position sizing, in terms of the entry, in terms of exit as well. He do not have any hurry to build his wealth. Slowly, slowly basis. As you can see, no multiple trades as well, only 6 trades in July. Not regular trading, but he has been booking the profits consistently somewhere into August as well, right? Out of 3 days in September, he has booked 2 days of profit, right? So the idea here is that you need to be disciplined, maintain your emotional balance, and important is learn your technical. I mean, execute your technical. You learn it from your free sources. You have books available, you have YouTube videos available, right? Do not get carried away with the noise which has been generated outside you. If you follow these kind of disciplines, I think the risk management will be done, money management will be done, and your trade management will be done for you. I have another student, right? I will show you. Look at this. So this student started way back in April, right? So from April, not a single trade has been into red. Very few trades. One April month only 4 trades. In May only 3 trades, right? Ultimately, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, without having single rupees loss, he has generated approximately 86,000 rupees of profit, right? I mean, 86,000 rupees of profit, and as you can see, the buy values are not more than 2 or 3 lakh, right? So this is the multiple trades he has done, 1 lakh, and these are multiple trades of 1 lakh. So consistent buy value, right? Every time, that's what is that. If sometimes the decisions are being wrong, then this guy has actually cut off his trade at the cost to cost. That's the reason this zero are also there, right? So try to understand the discipline is the most important factor which in the beginning of your trading life you will have to go through, right? So have a discipline, prioritize your trades, manage your trades with the proper stop loss as well. I mean, see in these cases, he might have got the prices at higher range. However, he managed his trades in a such a way that he ends up gaining the profits. So you'll have to do that, right? Without trusting any news sources, without trusting into the news channels, what they are saying, what is happening around you. You just focus on your technicals, no emotional interference at all. You should be able to get to a very good profit at the end of the month. No one is telling you to do the trading every day, right? So you look at this. This is an example, very simple, very disciplined manner. In April, May, June, when he was very new to the market, only 3, 4 trades in a day. Entire month. Then July, August, he slowly increased the number of trades as well, right? September, not a single trade has been taken so far. Can you imagine? So that's the discipline because the market is already at a higher level. So he is looking for the decline and then probably he will enter in a cash position. This guy is also completely disciplined in terms of the entire cash calls, the cash segment, right? No futures, no options, not a single loss in last 5 months, right? So that's what is importance of the learning, which you will have to anyhow do it. You do it out your self learning, or you take the training from anyone, not from me as well, but you can take a training from anyone. But try to make a simplest strategy for yourself. Make it very simple. Be disciplined into your trades. No futures, no options, only cash, and you should be able to generate your profits. That's it. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. Thanks for listening this. Okay. As promised, I have created a recording for you. Thank you. So that's it, guys. So now over to you, and we have the question and answer sessions going to start now. We have last 30 minutes, and we're gonna do a lot of question and answer session. So please do let me know. You can put your questions into the question and answer chat box as well, or else I will ask my operators teams if we can enable people to ask me the questions directly. That will be well and good. So I have a question coming from Gaurang, Savani Gaurang. So technique is super, but how one know about Jyoti Lab means how to find that stock is breaking it, right? So Saurang, I think if you have missed stock selection webinar last week, I believe you should go to that. Okay, and then on based on to that, you will understand how we select the stocks as well. The stock selection was actually been discussed in the last webinar. Okay, how to identify the stocks, which I will again revise quickly based on your confluences, based on to your screeners which you have put into. Okay, so based on to that, you can definitely go into the selection of a stock, and then you can definitely see what are the stocks which are breaking out or not, right? Khagendra Sarode, give your opinion about Happiest Mind IPO. I'm not tracking IPOs, Khagendra, so I would not be able to respond back to this. I mentioned that, guys, please do not have any specific questions. Please try to ask the questions generic to the topic, so that will be able to make more. Question from the Venkat: what are your services, sir? We do only have only one service, that is training to you. We impart the knowledge and we make you independent. The way as I showed you, related to my students who are been following my practices, the stock selection is theirs, the number of stocks selected are there, capital is there, they are trading it, but you are only and only you know going through with the training. That's it. So you provide tips, Venkat? No, we do not provide any tips. We do not charge for any tips as well. Whatever we post into our premium channels, or whatever we post into our public channel or WhatsApp groups, everywhere, everything is free of cost. The idea here is that the learning, of course, for learning we charge. When you go through the robust mentoring program, we have the learning program available with us, which is 21 days live trading. After that, 2 to 3 months of handholding, where I personally will handhold you. That's how I handholded my students as well, and that's the reason they are able to generate the profits consistently, right? So that's the idea here. Okay, so that's the point which I wish to talk about the services. Or you manage your accounts? No, I do not manage your accounts as well. You are the one who will manage your own account, but you will be capable of managing your own account. Okay, so Venkat, that's the idea of having the training done. The next question is coming from Anand. What about Bombay dying? So no specific questions to stock, sir. If I have time, I will definitely come back to your question, but let me answer the questions from the generic perspective. The next question coming from the line of Venkatesh. He is saying that how to enroll for your positional trading inputs. So Venkatesh, we have the mentoring program where the next batch is going to start on 12th of September. You can connect with my team, Urja Wealth team. They will definitely help you out to understand about how to connect on to that particular part. So not only the cash positional as well, but the urja options, intradays, investment. There are a lot of other premium channels which you get an access. Apart from that, the most important thing is that I handled you personally, one-on-one. Post the 21 days of live webinar, we go on to that, and I make sure that you are perfectly, capable of trading at your own end without any losses. So that's the idea of having this particular mentoring program. The next question is coming from the line of Saurabh. Saurabh is mentioning the how to identify the jackpot calls. So Saurabh, it is very, very simple. You need to understand the technical knowledge of it. You need to technically identify the jackpot calls rather than trusting on to any sources, right? Rather than trusting on to any news which are coming in, right? If you see your supports are been maintained, if you see your range are been broken out, if you see your candlesticks are giving you a good price volume action, that is nothing but a jackpot for you, right? So you simply practice it. The confluences are very much important, and that is the methodology which we follow with our students as well. The next question is coming from Mr. Venkat. How much you charge for the trainings? So for the fees, the charge for the trainings is 20,000 rupees. Okay, that is the one-time charge which we ask for the training. However, after that, not a single charge from you. Okay, and you also get 6 months of your premium channel accesses, all our 4 channels, cash positionals, intraday options, everything. Apart from that, you get an hand holding from mine side. Okay, I handle you until you get trained for yourself, right? So that's the thing from the charge of the training. The next question is coming from Virus for Email. Okay, very interesting name. And he's asking about the charges of the class. I just mentioned about the charges of the class as well. You might want to get in touch with my team. Okay, they will give you the elaborate and explanations and details. I mentioned about the fees, which is, to be specific, it is 19,999 one time. Next question is coming from Venkat. Do you provide training for intraday as well? Yes, absolutely, sir. Because without intraday, no one can actually be, have a bread and butter, right? So there are 2 types of people. One is investor, another is trader. So for traders as well, we have a very robust plans available. So because today was only specific to the positional trading and the indicators, that's the reason I focus on to the positional cash channel. However, if you remember, last time when webinar has happened, I focused on to the intraday part. Okay, so you might want to go with the last webinar video as well, Venkat. Okay, timing of your class. So Mr. Vikas, we have a very specific flexibility into the timings based on to the students availability. We conduct the classes as well. Most importantly, the classes will be in the live market. For example, if you are trading into the Indian stock market, we will have the sessions in the morning, which will start at 8:30 to 10 o'clock. If you are trading into the US market, or you want to learn with the US market, forex trading and so, then we have this batch starting at 7:30 p.m. in the evening. Okay. The question next coming from Mr. Dhiral, how to join your Telegram and WhatsApp groups. So Mr. Dhiral, we will send you the link post this call. Okay, and we will send you the WhatsApp group link as well, and we will send the Telegram public channel link as well, and you will be able to connect, and you can track our performances. And if you feel we are genuine educators to you, you can definitely reach out to us. Okay. The question is coming from Venkat. Is it possible to share previous webinar videos? Absolutely, Venkat. We will do that. Post this call, probably we will have video release for the public. Okay, we will take that decision and we will get back to you for that. Any other questions anyone has with respect to the technical knowledge, right? It's essential to have classes in live market, because that is very good question from your side. Now you yourself try to understand. If I tell you historically that the stock price has moved from this to that, will you trust on that? Right? I mean, when I will show you in the live market that look at this stock, the prices are moving up, prices are moving down because of this technical logic. You will have more confidence in that, right? And that's the reason I had a methodology of sharing the technical breakouts, or you can say my calls, which I posted into Urja Positional, the date and the time as well, so that you can verify whether actually the stock has performed like that, right? So from that perspective, it is very, very important for you to learn into the live market. However, you still have the liberty to learn outside of the off market as well. Okay, we are flexible to provide that liberty to our students. Those who are working professional, they might not be able to join to the sessions in the morning. They have their office to start, right? In the evening, they are late evening, they are working still in the office. For them, we still have a very good crash course available, which we are going to announce very soon, post this particular batch starts. Then we have another product which is coming in, which will be definitely helping you out. Duration of the classes, the training is for the 21 days. However, after that, your actual mentoring starts when you learn the basics of technical analysis, the fundamental analysis, and the overall market perspective. Then your handholding will start. Then I will preach into you and will discuss about the stocks which you have selected, the logic. I will try to brainstorm you with the knowledge, and absolutely at the end of your mentoring, you should be able to generate your own calls and trade on your own calls as well, so that you will have to have a good confidence on it. In us, Mr. Vikas, we have 2 hours of daily sessions, okay, for 21 days. Okay, so that's the 2 hours of daily. Apart from that, we also have the mentoring which I mentioned, which happens on to the weekend basis or on daily basis as well, on one-on-one to the students who come back to us for the questions and clarifications. We set up a call and we try clarifying their doubts and making sure that they are confident enough into the market. So that's the answer to your question. We have 2 hours per day for your sessions. So anyone has any questions with respect to the technical learning? I mean the parabolic SER which we discussed, Williamson percentage which we discussed. If you can talk about that, I would be able to happily answer all those questions as well. So these are the syllabus, or these are the points which we cover up into the market. You have volume price action, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, chart readings, chart construction, option buying and selling, future, intraday, short-term investing, long-term investing as well. All your stock selection part, your entry, exit, and stop loss with the help of parabolic, the Nifty trading, bank Nifty trading, and the swing trading as well. So that's the idea of having the power pack sessions which we deliver for our students in the mentorship program. And on the occasion of Teachers Day, there are offers going on with respect to the discounts into your fees as well, and increased months of premium channel access as well. So that's the fees, or that's the discount which will go from today to the next weekend. So try to take the leverage and opportunity of enrolling with these such beautiful discounts which have been going on, and that's the reason you can simply block your sits with respect to the positions. One more thing I would like to highlight here, guys, I do not take more than 10 to 15 students in one batch. That is very, very important, because I am able to focus on to each and every student during the batch and after the batch as well. Okay, so we are not going ahead with 50, 60, 100 and 200, 400 students at a time, where people are not able to understand what trainer is teaching to them. Even they are not able to ask the questions during the live training, which we allow. In fact, I consistently persist with the students that they should ask me the questions, right? So that's the methodology which I follow genuinely into the Urja Wealth mentorship program. Idea here is that I really don't want to build up the huge community with the useless traders, but I want to genuinely identify a few talented, smart traders and investors who can actually contribute towards the ecosystem of Urja Wealth. And for that, I mean, everyone is not allowed into the trading, into the mentorship. The people who are genuinely interested, people who really looking forward for the learning, and they want to be self independent of their own trading knowledge, and they don't want to pay to the 2,000 rupees and 3,000 rupees tips to the given to the people for bank nifty calls and all those, and at the end of the day you guys get into the loss. That doesn't make any sense for you, right? So you need to learn, and that's the message on the occasion of the Teachers Day. Learn, learn and learn. That's it. So that's it from my side. If you have any other questions, I will go back to the question and answer, and I will try to understand. What is the discounted price? So Mr. Venkat, we have the 10% discount for offers, which is going to start from today till next Friday, right? That's the first offer which we allow you. Apart from that, you also get 3 months of extra premium membership for your premium channels. Anyways, there is no price for those premium channels when you are a part of your student community. However, after particular months, after 3 months of time, you get 3 extra months for you to go into the premium channels. So that's how your fees, 18 or 20,000, whatever the fees is there, which is easily retrievable within 1 or 2 weeks of your learning itself. And that's how, most important thing, Warren Buffett always says that save your capital, right? In order to save your capital, you need to really have the hands-on on your skill set. Apart from that, otherwise you will not be able to do that. I mean, I have seen in my 10 years of this tenure, people are looking forward for the free knowledge. People are not interested for investing onto the learning. People look for where I can get free books, where I can get free videos, where I can get free knowledge, right? But they do not invest on learning, and at the end of the day, they keep on losing their capitals. Ultimately, if you invest a few bucks at a genuine center, I'm not saying that you should come to me only, you can go to anywhere, right? But that has to be a genuine one. Those people has to be genuinely training you, not only getting the fees and that's it. Go to anyone who is genuinely training you, and then safeguard your capital as well. So that is another message on this you of the Teachers Day for you. The question is coming from Mr. Khagendra, how to work moving average in the market. Yes, Khagendra, moving average works very, very specifically good into the market. Last time, if you attended our webinar, we talked about the moving averages, with respect to the time frames. We have 200 days, 100 days, 20 days, 50 days moving averages, which are actually working fantastically for us into the market stock selection as well. Okay, so I will have another point of discussion with the moving averages probably latter part of time. At the time I will definitely discuss about in details on moving averages, but I believe moving averages really help you not to take the decision where to take an entry, however to take the decision whether the decision is correct or not, right? Because moving averages are anyways the lagging indicators, and we specifically focus on to the leading indicators like volume price action, charts, technical breakouts. Those are our hands-on which we work on to. Okay, so that's, I hope I'm able to answer to your question, Mr. Khagendra. If anyone has any questions, please ask me. We still have 10 minutes to go. Okay, we had a question from I believe that there was a stock specific question for Bombay Dying. I have a time, so I will try to answer. We will go ahead with this Bombay Dying. Someone has asked the question. Let me find out that. Yeah. Mr. Anand has asked about what about the Bombay Dying. Let me go into Bombay Dying analysis. You guys can post your stock specifics now. We have 10 minutes, so we can work onto the stock specific. If you wish to have analysis done for certain stock specifics, we will do that. Your parabolic has yet not given the buy signal for Bombay Dying so far. However, if you apply your knowledges, you might want to identify a Poland flag with respect to Bombay Dyeing. However, there is no reversal so far. Okay, so we should wait for the reversal. Once we get the reversal above to 68, 69, then Bombay Dyeing will definitely have a good run up until 77 and then until 80 plus. So 80 plus has been the strong resistance for Bombay Dyeing so far. Okay, so your parabolic event haven't given any indication of the intersection so far. So we will wait for these next week of time for Bombay Dyeing, and if it closes above to 68 or 69, then we can definitely jump in for entry. Like, because volumes has been very low so far, so there is the reverse bullish reversal it yet to be found into Bombay Dyeing. However, we still have a support at the moment with 65.20. That can be a support, and wait for the reversal candle coming in for Bombay Dyeing. That will show you that it is a pole and flag breakout preparing for Bombay Dyeing. So that's the analysis for you. I hope I'm able to answer to your question. The next question is coming from, okay, we have another question, how to minimize the brokerage charges in intraday. I mean, you can go with the discount broker first thing, right? I mean, there are discount brokers like Upstock. They only charge 10 rupees and 20 rupees. You can go with Zerodha. They only charge 10 or 20 rupees per transaction. So 40 rupees only you take for intraday, right? And apart from that is nothing but the turnover charges, the STTs, and then the GSTs and all those goes with the government. So brokerage you can minimize by doing the trading with your discounted brokers rather than going for the full-time brokers. Full-time brokers like HDFC Securities, Sher Khan, and all these guys who charge with 0.10 paisa or 0.20 paisa or 0.02 paisa, that is quite a huge amount with respect to your turnover. Rather than that, you go with Upstocks, and then you have your Zerodha, which can actually give you a very good discounted broking. The next question from Venkatesh is for the opinion on future retail. So Venkatesh, future retail is at the moment going with the what I can say in the in a demerger mode basically. If you see, there has been the pact between the Future Group and Reliance Group, where Reliance Group is going to completely take over the Future Group, right? So Future Group, the Future Consumers, Future Retail, Future Logistics, all those businesses will be combined together and they will form the Future Enterprises, and the entire Future Enterprises business will be handed over to the Reliance with the cost of approximately 26,000 crore rupees. So with that, what is happening now is people are trying to exit from the stocks and they will be trying to buy Future Retail somewhere around 80 to 90 zone. That is what I feel, that Future Retail will definitely come on card. Let's go to the Future Retail. And very recently there has been a very good, or I can say very bad performance, quarter on quarter one performance, which was one given by Future Retail and had posted a loss of approximately, uh, I believe, 500 crore rupees of loss, which Future Retail has posted. One of my students also asked me about the Future Retail, where I mentioned that you should be exiting somewhere around here, right? I mean, at the point when it started with, sorry, somewhere around here, because it is giving a closer below on a weekly basis, and that's what after this 135 where he has asked it, now the stock is trading somewhere around 117 with the 5% lower circuit. So we are expecting Future Retail to go back to the territory of this zone, right? So this zone is a support zone for Future Retail, that is 94, and after that you still have the next support coming in somewhere around 70 to 80, right? I mean, there has been a lot of news coming in with Future Retails, so people will try to buy Future Retail somewhere around 95 or 100 zone. Okay, that's the first one. Second is your 70 to 80 zone. So that's how you can track on this. What about the banking sector in short term? So Rahul, it depends on to the moratorium announcement which is going to happen on the 10th September by the Honorable Supreme Court. When you identify the moratorium which are been not given to the customers, the loan who has taken the retail loans, if that doesn't extend, then that is a very good bullish signal for the banking sector. However, if the moratorium is extended, then the banking will tank. So you will have to be really watchful what Supreme Court is giving and verdict on to the case which has been still pending with Supreme Court, and the verdict is gonna come on this coming Thursday on 10th of September. So keep a track on that. Based on to that, the movement of the banking and financials will move. What about the Aurobindo Pharma company, the quarter good profit, but also company share price down? Why it is? So Khagendra, it's very simple. Aurobindo, if you remember my webinar which I did into April, that's available on our Urja Wealth channel, YouTube channel. Try to identify and go through that video. You will identify that Aurobindo we identified somewhere around 334, and our students has also been taken entry somewhere around here. We had more than whooping 100% return in Aurobindo Pharma over the period of time, somewhere around here. That webinar is still available into public. You can check it out. We identified somewhere around here. Now, since then, the stock has been hitting approximately to 1000 mark, and then the profit booking was quite obvious, which has happened here, right? Now, with respect to the next moment for Aurobindo, I can suggest you that it is trading in the range of your support line here. If it is broken, then it has a lot of other pain coming in with Aurobindo. Aurobindo profit booking somewhere around this zone. So 700 might be seen if you see this particular stock breaks the low of 770. If it breaks the low of 770, it should be coming into 700. Okay, and it is also forming on a daily candle. It is also forming the head and shoulder pattern. So head and shoulder pattern is a bearish reversal pattern. Look at this, right? So it is still yet to form this head, but you still have a very good chances of downward. So from 170, 970 to approximately 800, still 100 points of tanking, which I can see into Auropharma. So that's it for Auropharma. Next is about ITC, how to select the perfect strike price in the options. So that's altogether a different ball game, Mr. Sam. I believe we do not have sufficient time to discuss about the options here. We will have another point webinar which we will cover probably the next time when we will come up with. We will have the option related webinar where we will definitely discuss how to select the strike prices for the options. Okay, stay tuned for that as well. What about ITC? This is the final stock before we go on to the closer. ITC. Your parabolic is also bearish. You have next support coming in at 180 zone, and it should be taking support somewhere around here. So it has broken all the support so far with respect to this at 193. It should be taking support at 180. So you should wait for the reversal candle here. So any reversal candle which comes somewhere around 180 should be the good entry for ITC, like this, right? So you should wait for this kind of pattern which can come into ITC. So that's it, guys. So anyone who would like to contact us, you can contact us on our Telegram at Urja Wealth Team. You can WhatsApp us as 8766-532-688, and you can also connect us onto the call as well. You can call us, you can discuss all your queries. So having said that, I will end up with the session now. If you have any questions, please reach out to my support line. I will be trying to help you there. So thank you so much for your patient listening and have a wonderful day ahead. Also, happy Teachers Day to everyone. Thank you so much. God bless you. Good night. Bye bye.